AXON stock analysis and price predictions. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm approaching Axon Enterprise stock. Am I trading it? Let's see. I made 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money 5 years into the craft, tens of thousands of dollars invested, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel in courses and mentors, right? Like I'm saying, I've invested a lot of my money. I'll learn the stuff so you don't have to. But with AXON, I have my demand zone here. Genuinely speaking, just looking to double down. Like, my blood's boiling to get involved and buy because I do think this has a lot of gas in the tank. And then ultimately speaking, is even correcting. Like this is also demand zone in and of itself. So if there's something there, I'm gonna be the first one that's about to try and reach it, and if not, it's all good. Why the heck would I look to sell randomly? So all I'm doing is I'm waiting. And if you personally want to learn how I'm consistently making fat 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.